All right, so there's another type of problem we can do with two-source interference that requires a little bit of math. And it's a problem like this. I have two speakers, a speaker here and a speaker here, and they produce a sound wave with a wavelength of 3.35. And they're 3 meters apart, and then point P is 2 meters away from one of the two speakers. And then we want to know, is the sound going to be loud or quiet at that point? And this has to do with the concept of path length. Okay, so remember, if the difference in path length is equal to m times lambda, where m is a whole number, then it's going to be constructive interference because they will be in phase. Okay, but if the difference in path length is m plus a half times lambda, it's going to be destructive interference. All right, so we just have to figure out what the path lengths are. So I'm going to label these. I'm going to label this one A and this speaker B. And this here is going to be AP. And this one's going to be BP. So the path lengths. For AP, I'm going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So AP squared is going to be 3 squared plus 2 squared. So that's 9 plus 4 is 13. So AP squared is going to be 13. I'm going to take the square root, and I end up with AP is 3.61. Now BP is obviously just 2 meters. So my difference in path length, I'm going to say it's going to be equal to m times lambda. So 3.61 minus 2 is going to be m, and the wavelength was 5.35. So I divide this, or sorry, 0.535. I'm going to divide this, or subtract here first. I get 1.61 is equal to 0.535 m. When I divide that out, I get m is 3.0. So that's a whole number. So it will be constructive interference. So the sound would be loud.